Mayong udto sa tanan. My dear friends, at times we are also confronted with our unbelief. Even if we say, I am a person of faith, I seem to have this kind of a strong faith in me or has come into maturity of faith, and yet at times we will also be confronted with our unbelief. Most especially if we are shaken from the very foundation of our being. Situations that are so difficult to comprehend, much more difficult to solve, then these are moments, maybe perhaps, that we are confronted with unbelief. Somehow putting doubt to the goodness of the Lord, putting doubt on what we believe, putting doubt as well as the love of God for us. And therefore, we find this a very normal thing, that we are also confronted with this. And yet, the gospel story of today, we focus not on the miracle of driving out the mute spirit from the boy, but let us focus on the conversation between the father of this boy, the possessed boy with the mute spirit, and Jesus. Wherein, when Jesus said, everything is possible for those who believe. And yet the wonderful prayer of the Father is a very good inspiration for all of us. When the Father said, help me with my unbelief. Somehow, we could say that his statement proves that he is a believer. It proves that by lifting up to the Lord anything about us, any situations they're in, even the most difficult of situations, then God would always be with us. Even in the moment of his unbelief, but by putting these words into his mouth and trying to lift everything up to the Lord is a manifestation of a strong faith of this person. Instead, that somehow, when we are confronted with unbelief, we grow in bitterness. Or even perhaps our hearts become so hard that we will no longer believe on anything that is good. Or maybe perhaps we grow indifferent. But let us take this father in our gospel today. Instead of that natural tendency of a human person to go that way, he goes beyond, and he goes the opposite of the tendencies of persons whenever they are confronted with their unbelief. He asks the Lord. He pleads for the Lord to help him with his unbelief. Kay sa atong mga kalisod, usahay kung magduda ta, mas mugahi ang atong pagduda o musamot tagka-bitter sa ato ang kinabuhi. But instead, let us lift this up to the Lord, just like the Father in our gospel today. And there, when Jesus said, everything is possible for those who believe. And even by presenting his unbelief, proves him to be a believer. And therefore, this we emulate. This we carry out in our everyday situations in life. Most especially if we are confronted with situations where our faith is shaken and we are becoming an unbeliever. May this lifting up to the Lord be our example, be our inspiration. That at moment of this, we lift everything to the Lord, and may the Lord would fortify us with strong faith and conviction. Amen.